Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will continue teaching chapter 3 of computer and I'll start from page 47 of the chapter. I will teach you the heading Saving a Document. So see, on the computer screen already a document is made ready. 1 second, let me show you how you will all open Microsoft Word Office. Click on the start button, scroll the arrow up, and here Microsoft Office Word option is there. You click on it and this will open. So see, it is already open and something is already typed. It shows the work is already done. Now what are the steps of saving it? Saving is very necessary. Why will you save? Because if you just work on the computer and leave it like that, then your work will go in vain. You won't be able to see or find out your work saved anywhere in the computer. It will be lost. So saving is very important, children. So after doing the work here, go and click on the start button. Office button. You see, this is the office button. Click on it. Then you see the option save. And when I bring this arrow on save, a yellow highlight comes at the back. And it is also written the shortcut key, that is, see, Control. Once again I am showing you Control plus S. So this is the shortcut key, as you have learned earlier. For bold, Control plus B. For copy, Control plus C. All the shortcuts you all have read and learned, I hope. So for saving, the shortcut key is Control plus Save. And by taking help of the keyboard, you can type Control and S together, and then save option will come into use. You can save your document. See, when I click on save, it is already now saved. Another option that you have in your book on page 48, that is save as option. Again, you go to office button. You have the save as option. What is the shortcut key? In bracket it is written, see, F12. On your keyboard you will find this key F12, function key 12. You can use F12 by typing from the keyboard, or you can click on save as option. When you click on save as option, see, I am clicking. It will ask for a file name. Now what is the difference between save and save as? If you just click on save, your document will be saved. But save as means if you want to save the same document with a different name without deleting the original one. My original is this one, and without deleting that, if I want to save it by a different name, then I can use save as option. So here you can type, already something is typed, you can type some other name also and then click on the save. So it will be finally saved. On page 48, in InShot box, you have some shortcut keys which you have to learn. Okay, let me now shift to page 49. Children, please see page 49 of your book. On top you have the heading Closing a Document. Now I will show you how to close a document. This is my document. Again you go to this office button. I hope you can see the arrow on top left corner, office button. You click on this. Then you see the option close down. You see here it is given. If you click on this, your thing will be closed. See how it is now closed. Okay. Now, if I want to open the existing document, existing means already it exists here. I have just closed it. It exists here. So if I just want to open, then again go to this office button, click on it. The open option comes, click. Wherever the thing is saved, you will be able to find wherever it is saved, you will be able to find it from there. You have to keep the location where you have saved your document for that, and after that you will be able to find it out. There are some shortcut keys in the InShot box. There are 2 boxes on page 49. The shortcut key for opening an existing document is Ctrl+O, which you have to learn. And another shortcut InShot box, another shortcut key you will find for closing the document, that is Ctrl+W. And the shortcut key to exit the Word window is Alt+4. Now wherever you see that there is a combination of 2 keys written, children, please keep this in mind that you have to press the 2 keys together to make the changes. From your keyboard you have to press the 2 things together. And on page 49 there are the steps of closing and opening an existing document. I have already demonstrated it to you how or what are the steps of doing that. Here ends the chapter 3. Next page, page 50, you have the bookmark and some refresh points which you can read for revision. And please children, read the pages which I have covered today. Read those pages thoroughly and watch the video for understanding well. Thank you for watching the video.